This is Nutanix in real time, the video series where we give you a flavor for what it's going to be like to perform various operations on the Nutanix platform. And we do so in such a way that doesn't cut out the video to compensate for long-running processes. We do that so, again, you have a feel for what it's going to be like using the platform. Now, we do provide chapter markers in the video, so you can hover just above the time indicator below where I'm speaking, and you'll see little pop-ups letting you know what chapters apply to what operations. Feel free to click on those chapters to move forward or backward in the video as your needs require. Thanks for tuning into the content. We hope you enjoy it, and we look forward to bringing you more in the very near future. Enjoy. Welcome to Nutanix. Here on screen, we have a view of a 3-node cluster's initial dashboard. I'm saying initial because I'm doing air quotes, as I have set up a few virtual machines already, so not quite initial, but close enough. In fact, you can see here in our alert bar or status bar, I've got indications of the successful completion of various activities. Just below that, I have a Hypervisor Summary, my Prism Central status, which will dig more into Prism Central as this series evolves, a summary of storage, summary of virtual machines. I've got 9, as I mentioned before, a hardware summary for my cluster. I've got 3 hosts active at the moment. In this series, we will add a 4th as we expand the cluster. And I've got a few graphs here that detail the controller attributes within the cluster. I've got a cluster usage metric, memory usage metric, overall health summary, as this is a new cluster, and as a part of its startup and creation activities, hosts were taken offline to do various activities. You see that we have a critical indicator. I believe that as 24 hours elapses and there are no problems, then this indicator will disappear. Resiliency status is okay, meaning that I can comfortably rely upon my redundancy factors. So if I lose a host or lose a disk, I can be confident that data will be rebuilt accordingly. So various attributes here upon which I can rely. And that's a quick tour of the Nutanix cluster dashboard.